Right, today we are going for a walk around Newmillerdam. We've got the little one hooked up with the GoPro so we can see where she goes. But yeah, we'll see you on your walk around. See you later. Bye.
I want the dog treat.
Good.
In case we
find any doggies.
Yeah.
Are you going to find the gnomes?
I should take a picture of that for Mav, because Mav's nickname at the minute in DCB is Gnome.
Hey, come on, let's go. Oh, look at the pretty blossom, huh?
I'm just filming the water and the greenery.
Oh.
That's all I'm filming. But the thing is, I do have to stick my belly up.
Fishing here.
Ooh,
Yeah.
what is that thing in the lake?
This is the, I don't know, darling, what that thing in the lake is. Birds on it. Gabby, you see the side? I gave you the picture.
Well, I'll completely blank you out with mine.
That's fun. This one fire
Oh, yes, go run.
Or you can walk. You walk. Oh no, I would definitely.
Your hands out of your jacket.
Further along.
Yeah, I know. And this time, look, a little bench. Little bench. Whee!
Yes.
Oh.
I remember when the pug licked the squirrel. Come a little bit closer. Come over here. Daddy. When he's done. Mum, me and Bella didn't spot it. The owl. Come and see. Mum, we didn't spot this at Bella, didn't we?
Well, I did.
I didn't.
Becky and I spotted it, you kids didn't.
Then why did you not tell us?
Well, you guys are having so much fun today. Yes, you're a bit scared of bulldogs, aren't you? Oh, come on. Grandma's bulldog eats everything. I've even given him
No, I didn't think they would.
macaron and turned it down.
Hello. Eat it.
Wait.
Oh, I'm at the balancing part.
Come on.
Can I jump across?
Bye.
No, that would fall in.
See? I didn't.
Come on then.
The stream is fun.
Hello.
Oh, you spotted
I spotted a bull. I know you can't say this like Becky said this last weekend.
you and bulldogs.
These dogs. Hi.
I need to rinse my wellies.
Oh. Hello. Hello. Yes, you got the true bulldog stubber. Do you want some treats? Would you like a treat?
Go get him.
Oh, there he is. Go get the bushy
Gaz
tail.
and I will give you £10 if you get within 50 yards. Scared him off.
Hey, look at the gnome. Isn't he the fishing gnome?
Come on, pull up.
Catches a fish that your daddy never catches.
I caught food last week, thank you very much.
He's a gnome that he doesn't want noisy children.
No, Richard, he's a fisherman.
Yes, he doesn't like noisy children.
Oh, he's got a flow on that.
What?
Let's take you a photo.
Look, Mum.
Ah.
The puddle. So I need to clean my boots off, isn't it?
Come on.
I'm cleaning my boots. Not really.
Alright.
Watch out for the werewolves and the black bears.
He's keeping an eye on me now.
Watch out for the werewolves.
And the little sassy dog was stopping to look for me. Just go inside for my treats.
Do you take photos of them, Dad?
Nope.
There's hundreds.
Oh yeah.
You've been swimming. Ooh, the tail.
Here you go, Catherine. You wanted to feed the doggy.
No, not good. Hold your hand out, Catherine. There you go. That's it.
Go a bit closer. Oh.
No, I don't know whether she's bothered.
No?
No.
She bothered. Well, she just sold her.
Oh no, it's just to get into the cafe for food and stuff.
Oh, good cafe.
Yeah. It's actually quite a nice little cafe.
Hey, look. What time is it?
Not food time. Your feet are still on the floor.
No, I'm not. Then going higher and higher. Well,
Technically your feet are still on the floor.
Go.
Oh yes. We can see in 2 hours how busy it's gotten.
Well, we're near the car park now, aren't we? So.
how did you count?
Yeah.
Is that fine?
Yes. And if you don't have the £100, Catherine, you go to jail. Yeah? Oh.
You want to take your little home then?
But you should always take your litter home.
I think we can go back here.
Yeah. So how's your walk, little one?
Our walk was really good.
What did you enjoy about it, other than the ice cream?
Oh, I enjoyed seeing the squirrels.
Oh, cool. Well, we'll see you next time. Until then, have a good one.